Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we're going to be going through the fuel injectors on our EOS engine. What are we doing, you might ask? Well, walk with me. We got the Amazon order right here. We're going to be changing all of the gaskets and O-rings. We already did one, as you can see here. There's the original seal there. This one, it's already done. Now, we're going to go through these three and replace all the seals. Very good. Alright guys, so the tools that are needed, we need a seal remover right here, a very small needle nose plier, and a razor. Come on. Let's get on the struggle bus. Great. The other one came right out. No, this one. Alright, there's one. This guy, there's a split in it. Just gotta find the split. And where is it? There it is. Come on. Come on. Gotta go like that. That's off. This guy here doesn't want to come off gently. Very good. This guy here. 1, 2, 3. Off. The seal, you gotta be very careful not to damage the fuel injector. Try and go in on an angle. Roll it real quick. You know it loosened up when it starts to spin. And just take it off like that. I like to use a red Scotch-Brite. Now you can soak these overnight, which I might just very well do to get them clean even more. We do have an ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know if it works or not. Alright, very good. So now, the special tool, you gotta do it in order. This guy right here, we're gonna slip the new seal on that. This guy right here, once the new seal is on, you gotta slip that on there to reshape it. That's step one. And then step 2, you got to work on step 2, which is a little tighter hole. Giggity. And what that does is it reshapes the Teflon seal back to its original size, so you could actually fit it in the head. Very good. Brand new part. Here's our Teflon seal. Here's our cone. Now what we do is we slip the seal on, progressively widening it, and we slip that right there, and you just do one of these and it slips on. Let's get that on. Alright, here's our seal on our cone. I'm going to slide it down the cone. I'll try not to have it on there too long. There we go. Alright, now that's... I usually let it sit for a little bit. Hopefully it shrinks down. And then we're going to slip this guy on, reshape it. Then we're going to slip that guy on and reshape it. Very good. Alright, so here we have the first step. Now, you're going to feel a little bit of resistance. Just keep going back and forth. And be careful. You don't want to pinch the gasket because you can ruin it. Or pinch the seal, excuse me. So you can leave it there for a little bit. Let it shrink back down to size. And you'll feel that it starts to get easier and easier through this one because the seal is starting to shrink back down to size. Alright, we'll let that sit for a little bit and we'll move on to step 2. Now step 2 is even tighter than step 1. You have to be very careful not to let that seal go over that lip, because if you do, it's a good chance you're going to damage the seal. So I know with the OEM tool it's actually a lot easier, but since it's like just an Amazon order, it will work. But what I've done with the other one is I'll put my nail and I'll try and hold the seal as I push, and what that does, it gives me that gap, or it keeps that gap, and the seal actually goes further into the tool, as you can see. So just keep on doing that, rinsing and repeat, until you can actually fit this all the way through, and then you let it sit like how we did with step 1, and that'll be the final step of reshaping that seal. Alright, very good guys. Now you can see our step 2 is all the way down onto our fuel injector. And we are back to original size. It's very good guys, very good. Now let's put our other seals on. This guy here, as you can see, little step ledge right there. A smaller step goes on the bottom facing the injector. Put that guy on. Brand new O-ring. Roll that guy right on. Very good. And that's how... Oh, wait. We got some more pieces. That guy goes there. This guy goes right there. Very good. And that's how you service Audi Volkswagen 2.0 fuel injector. Not that bad. Takes some time, but the more time you spend on it, the better it's going to be. And as you can see, the tool fits right on. And that was, I think, like a what, $59, either $59 or $89 on Amazon. We had to get that, and we had to get the other timing gear set. And yeah, they both worked. Very good guys. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.